Hello YouTube, it's me Dog Gamer. Today we're going to be playing Be a Parkour Ninja. Hopefully I don't get caught. No, just kidding. JK. Okay, oh my god. Hello? Sir? Sir? Oh. Come here, boy. Come here, dude. Crap. Okay, yeah, I'm stopping. There you go. Hey, yeah, you football skin. Hey, yo, friend, you can see my friends right there. Hey, back off my friend, Where's that girl? Back off. Help me. Get revenge. I'm gonna type it. Get revenge. And a hashtag. Okay. First, put my other ear pod in. Alright, so lemonade. 9:31. Let go. Bing! Shadow clone also. Here's my shadow clone. Come here. No. That's my shadow clone. Her average. Okay. Is this guy? Oh! Run. Okay, my neck can see. It's kind of blind. Didn't I kill that guy? I killed him. Foul. As you guys can see, it's crazy hair day for me. I got Spirit Week on. See this? Spirit Week. Frick. Almost had a lemonade. Oh. Okay. No. Go. Smoke bomb. I said smoke bomb. Now what's the jump on smoke bomb? Ow! I'm stuck. You see that? I was stuck. Hey, yo, friend. Go to the water. Zoom, they see me zooming. They be hating. When I'm fighting Naruto, I'm on stage mode. It's this one girl. I'm about to go to a different server, but I can't because my friend isn't here. I'm mad. I can't get another kill. I gotta get me some kills. Free kill. Yeah, that was a free kill. Ah, 23 kills. Get this free kill. That's the one platinum kunais. I'm the one who has platinum kunais, I'm pretty sure. I have Roblox. His average is 8? What? I never seen his. Last time I checked, his average was 8. I was just stealing a shield bubble. So hot. She tried to get all these free kills. I'm eliminated. I was standing there. You stand there for like 10 seconds. It's automatic free kill. Oh, no. If you're hit, if your health bar is right there, it's obviously your shadow kill. There's nothing about this game. Let's go. I got I said 11. Oh boy, my mom. 2 free kills? 2 free kills? What? I didn't get 2 free kills? Or what? I get 2 free kills? Okay, you see my hair go like. Ooh. He got 6 kills, 6 deaths, and 29 kills. How is this possible? He must be playing on phone, like mobile. It's impossible to have 29 kills, 6 deaths, and 6 deaths. Okay. Oh crap! Someone is coming. Well, guys, see you in the next video. Bye. I said bye. Oh yeah. Alright, guys. Link in the description. My friend's channel, Beyblade Kid. He got some pretty good videos on there. Alright, bye YouTube.